Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess, just in case you're new here, and I can't even tell y'all how excited I am to be sitting in front of this camera and recording a video with you guys. It's been a while since I've uploaded a makeup tutorial, and it's been a minute since I've actually done anything to myself, you know, we in this whole quarantine situation or whatnot. So I haven't had a reason to put on any makeup, and I have some new stuff, well, some stuff that's new to me that I want to try out with you guys. And so I just decided, you know what, let's just turn on the camera and let's just, you know, get it popping. And plus I have some of my own products from iAmPrincess Beauty that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So I'm not gonna, you know, do a lot of talking. We're just gonna jump right on in. And of course, I like to start my makeup with my eyes. How do you like to start your makeup? Let me know in the comment section below. But I'm an eyes first girl. I've already done my eyebrows just to kind of save time. And I'm going to start with some stuff I got in my BoxyCharm in my March Boxy Looks. I got two eyeshadow palettes. I don't know how I feel about them, which is why I want to try them out with y'all, because I want to know what y'all think about them also. So let me show you, just in case you have not seen them yet. This is the one, this is BoxyCharm's brand, I guess you can say. It's the Hello Charmer palette. I have not used this yet. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It comes with 12 colors. Here they are. It's pretty. Again, like I said, I don't know how I feel about it. And then I received another eyeshadow palette. So 2 eyeshadow palettes in one box. Interesting. This is the Tarteist Pro Remix palette. I've never seen this palette. I've never swatched it. Never knew anything about it. So this is what this one looks like. It's very colorful. It's mostly shimmer. Yes, mostly shimmer eyeshadows. It has 2 mattes in there. These two, this one and this one. But the rest of them are shimmers. So this is definitely a palette that I will have to, you know, combine with something else. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in so we can go ahead and jump right on into these, you know, these eyes. All right, we are close in person now. So I am going to prep my eyes with a concealer from ColourPop Cosmetics. This is the No Filter concealer. I'm gonna start with the Hello Charmer palette. All right, so let's see here. I think I'm going to start with this color right here, Spoiler. And I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush, and I'm just going, ooh, dusty, okay. Ooh, did y'all see that? Okay. And I'm just going to pretty much just kind of blend it above my crease area, just to set, lightly set the area above my crease. Don't really see much with this color, which is fine because I'm only using it very lightly. Okay, and so now that I have that on with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Premium. Well, I'm gonna use that to actually set my brow, and again, this is in the shade Premium. I'm just gonna lightly set my brows. The concealer I put under my brows, to be exact. Okay, now I need to figure out, what do I want to do next? Okay, I'm just gonna go with my gut. I'm gonna start with this shade right here, Unboxing. So I'm just gonna pack this color on in my crease and see how I feel about it. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a lot more red than I expected. Let's see. Okay. I feel like this color is a little bit patchy. Okay, so I'm going to use a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges, see if I can diffuse that. See how that blends. I feel like I'm blending the color away. Okay, I'm going to change brushes into a more, I guess a brush that's a little bit, a blending brush that's a little bit more dense. And I'm going to go back into that same color. And I'm just going to try to pack it on a little bit more. I guess it's all right. And I'm gonna go back into spoiler right here, and I'm just gonna kind of blend some more around those edges. Okay, I guess that's as good as we're gonna get, but I want to deepen. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. That's kind of like my favorite thing to do. So I think I'm gonna go into, let me see, oh, they have a matte black in here. I don't want to use black. Okay, I'm gonna go into Cup of Joe, which is a reddish brown. I don't know if this is going to be the, give me the depth that I want, but I'm gonna try. And I'm going to pack it onto the outer and inner, and I can see right now it is not giving me what I want. So I'm probably gonna mix a little bit of black from the Tarte palette in here. I am going to carve out a space in the center of my eyes for a halo. I'm going to use that same concealer. I'm just going to go for it, and I'm going to go with this color. So let's see how this works. I'm going to do some blending, put on some eyeliner, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. And I have a lash on, and I did put on some eyeliner, and I prepped my lashes with mascara. And the lashes that I'm wearing are from my very own lash line, iAmPrincess Beauty. So if you haven't been watching my videos, or if you're new here, I do have an online beauty boutique. I sell lashes, lip gloss, and hair, sis. Yes, virgin hair bundles. I have transparent lace frontals and closures, HD can't even talk. I have transparent lace frontals and closures, HD lace frontals and closures, and then the standard brown, light brown frontals and closures. I will leave a link to my store in the comment section below, or not in the comment section, in the description box. I told y'all I'm rusty, but I'll leave a link down below just in case you guys would like to go and support your sis. And I'll also leave you guys a coupon code so that you can save some money on your purchase. So let me show you what my lashes come packaged like. So all of my lashes come packaged like this. Okay, these are in the style plush. I just grabbed a random pair out of my inventory to show you guys, but this is plush. Let me see, is it gonna focus? There we go. She's focusing, and I just have a little plastic cover on there, just for freshness and sanitation purposes. But this is plush, and what I'm wearing is Crown Me. that's what I put on. Let me show you guys what the lash looks like. Let me get it out of my packaging. Let me show you up close and personal. So here is Creme. This is actually one of my best sellers. It's a 3D mink lash. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. Now for the part that I'm like really excited about, these two. Okay, I'm very excited about these. So I have the InstaBake Aqua Glass Foundation. I got mine in the shade 323W. I don't know if this is my correct shade, but we're gonna find out together. And then I also have the InstaBake 3-in-1 Full Coverage Concealer. I got mine in the shade Creme Bru-Slay. Again, I don't know if this is my shade, but we're gonna find out together. All right, so we're gonna unbox this together. This is my first time ordering any beauty bakery products, so I'm really excited about this. First of all, the packaging is adorbs. Open it up, you have a little spatula right here, and then you have the window where you can see the foundation. So let me open up this here box. Alright, and this is the foundation. I'm just going to give it a shake. Okay, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. And I'm going to pump some on this little thingy I have here. Ooh, okay. It's watery. This looks like it'll be a good shade match for me. I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. This is their Expert Face Brush. I think that is a pretty good match actually. And ooh, the finish so far looks really pretty. Okay. Now look at my skin. Whew. This may be a banger. This may be my new fave. Y'all, this foundation looks so good. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at my skin. Whew. Okay. Okay, beauty bakery. Okay. Oh, look at this. I think this is about to be my new babe. Oh my gosh. Why did I take so long to try this foundation out? Why y'all ain't tell me? Okay, so now I'm ready to see what this concealer talking about. Can we talk about the way this concealer and this foundation just blended together effortlessly? Y'all, look at my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set everything, finish my face, and then I'm going to come back up to finish up, and we're going to talk about these products to finish off this look. And I have to showcase another one of my products. I'm super proud of these because I make these myself. These are what I call lip slips. They are lip glosses. Okay, this one right here is in the shade On Point. It's a really pretty pink, and that's what I'm going to finish off my look with today. So here is my packaging. Can you guys see? There you go, and that's my logo. So proud of it. So this is On Point, and that's what I'm going to use on my lips. Before I put on my lip gloss though, I'm going to line my lips with one of my favorite lip liners of all time. This is by Jordana in the shade Coco Loco. So I'm going to line my lips real quick. So I'm just going to lather it on so you guys can see how cute it is. By pressing my lips together. So this is the final look using all of my new products and showcasing some of my own products. Again, just in case you were wondering, on my lips I'm wearing On Point Lip Slip, which is just a hydrating lip gloss, and it's really pretty pink, as you can see. And I'm wearing my lashes in the style Crown Me. Again, links to my store will be in the description box below. Okay, so y'all probably already know how I feel about the foundation and the concealer. Now, this is just my first time wearing it, so I'm going to try it again. But right now, just our first impression, I absolutely loved it. I'm looking at myself in my monitor, and y'all, my skin looks so good. Like, it looks so pretty. Like, the finish is so pretty. It looks really good on camera. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you have this foundation? Have you tried it? And if so, let your girl know what you think about it. So I'm in love with it so far, but like I said, I am gonna test drive her a little bit more. About these eyeshadow palettes that came in my BoxyCharm. So this one right here, the Hello Charmer, sorry, I had some fallout. This one right here, I'm not too much a fan of the mattes. I feel like as I blended them, they blended away. But I do like the shimmer. So off camera, I did apply a little bit of this shade right here called Charmer on top of the other shade from the Tarte palette. And I did like that. And that one looks more glittery. So I'm going to play around with this some more. Just right now, it's not my favorite. I probably will give this to my sister. I have other palettes that have colors similar to this, so I won't feel like I'm missing out if I give this one away. So it's alright. Now, as far as the Tarte Pro Remix, I forgot how much I like Tarte eyeshadows formula. That black was really, really pigmented. And this color right here was very, very pigmented. So I am going to hold on to this one. I do like this one. It smells really, really good. So yeah, and of course I love my own products. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for hanging with me while I playing makeup, trying out this new stuff. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic. You know, please stay safe, stay in the house. If you guys have any other video requests that you would like for me to do, you know, please drop a comment down below. I really do love you guys. Again, thank you for rocking with your girl. And remember always that you are perfectly imperfect. Love all of you because God does, and so do I. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces!